All right, Dave Mark, Sarasota for our update here in September. We got good news. Our excavator arrived today. We've been working the last couple of days separating the building apart from the existing building that's going to stay. And then, so now we're ready to have the excavator start peeling the building down. So let me turn around here. This is what we're going to be getting working on right now. That excavator is going to start just ripping the building apart. So we've got some cameras on there. Hopefully it all comes out all right, and we'll get some good footage. All right, we'll catch up with you soon and talk to you later.